I get the hype. Okay, I don't know, there's some weird taste. Very fruity. We have Laneige lip balm. It has that cocoa butter smell. I mean, I would say I'm not a great fan of this one. Wow. Clearly, I was influenced and it was not a good influence. Hey yo, Kemcho guys, welcome back to my channel. It's almost winter season and winter season comes with lip balm and must have lip balm. So first of all, if you are somebody who doesn't use a lip balm, I would just please start using, because वो जो chapped cracked lips होते हैं, it doesn't look good. I'm sure you don't even enjoy it because then you just end up picking out those skin that comes off. Especially if guys are watching this, even y'all should start using a lip balm. So it's nothing just for females because it's just a lip care. Today I'm gonna review a few of my lip balms that I've been using and कुछ ऐसे हैं जो मैंने ऐसे influence होके खरीदे हैं and कुछ ऐसे हैं जो I've been using this a very long time. So I'm gonna share all of my reviews. I'll be rating all of my lip balms and I'll also share some of my favorites. So let's just quickly get started. So very first is this Vaseline cocoa butter lip balm. I think Vaseline is iconic. मतलब इसमें सोचना ही नहीं पड़ता है. It's just best. I think one of the best products and we all know we've been using those petroleum jelly पूरा वो जो बार होता है वो बचपन से. So this is just like a fancy version of that and with a flavor. So this is really good. I mean it has that cocoa butter smell which I love and there is no pigmentation या कोई color. It's just a subtle nice lip balm. It's affordable. It's Vaseline, so I think it's overall really nice and it hydrates your lips. You don't have to think before you buy, you just go ahead with it. So this is, I think I would rate this 8 out of 10 because it's just 10 on 10. But किसी को अगर tint चाहिए तो उसमें tint नहीं है. It's just Vaseline, so it's really good. Next is Hyphen All I Need Lip Screen, which has SPF and all of that. But first of all, this is quite hype, but I didn't quite enjoy it because first of all इसकी consistency बहुत thin है, which is a good thing. I think people really enjoy when it's a thin consistency, but इसको मतलब I don't know, there's some weird taste, like a sweet taste. I don't want a taste when I'm applying a lip balm, right? So it has a weird taste when you apply and you see it's so thin and उसपे I think थोड़े small particles भी है which melt down after a time, but for somebody like me it's not something that I enjoy. So it's a nice lip balm, I would say. इतना great नहीं है जितना मैंने इसका hype सुना है और देखा है. So I would probably rate this 6 on 10, but I'm quite curious to try the latest ones that they have launched, which are road inspired lip balms, the tinted ones that I need to try. But मुझे ये I would say I'm not a great fan of this one because as I said मुझे वो sweet taste मुझे नहीं भी चाहिए रहता है. तो वो just because you apply lip balm you end up drinking something, eating something, तो वो taste आ जाता है. तो मुझे वो नहीं पसंद है. So it's a turn off for me. बाकी overall it's good, consistency and everything is good. Next again, something that we all girls have been using since school college time, that is Nivea lip balms. कितना पुराना है ये, मतलब ये बहुत पुराना है. This is watermelon वाला flavor. It has a very light tint to it. It's not that chatat वाला. I don't like lip balms that are very highly pigmented because that is not the purpose of lip balms. I mean sometimes yes, if I'm outside I want to apply a lip balm and I want a tint because maybe my lipstick is gone, but इतना ज़्यादा pigmented lip balm I feel it looks very fake or some, I don't know, it looks very weird to me. So a very natural looking lip balm I like. So this is one of them. It's very light tint, fruity watermelon bubblegum जैसी smell है. So yes, this is evergreen product. So this one is also around 260 rupees. So I think it's a very decent lip balm for the price. So if you don't want to go ahead with their expensive high-end brands, I would suggest go with Vaseline or Nivea. It's the safest option. It's an evergreen product, so nothing to think about. I think this is everybody's favorite and even mine favorite. मतलब मेरा तो भी ये it's a go-to one. We have Laneige lip balm. Now this one I would be honest, I have recently started using. It's been a week, but I am obsessed. First of all, इसकी smell. This is gummy bear flavor and wow. I mean I like this subtle, very very mild pink. पहले तो इसका texture बहुत बढ़िया है. I love it on my lips because it's very nice and thin and glossy. Second, the smell is really good. मतलब very mild and gummy bear जैसा ही smell है. This one, yes, as I said, मैंने बहुत recently start किया use करना, but I'm enjoying it and hydration and everything, it's just perfect. If you are using a Laneige product, I guarantee that you wouldn't wake up with chapped lips the next day. You will feel soft, moisturized lips. Now, if I talk about Laneige, this is the one that I used it. Okay, मतलब ये आप देख सकते हो, I've used it so much that it's almost empty, like it's almost empty. Now I get the fact that this is very expensive. When I was also getting it, I was very skeptical कि मैं लूँ कि नहीं, because it's very pricey for a lip mask. So this is a lip mask people generally apply at night and then wake up with soft lips. I would say ये बहुत time से use कर रही हूँ, and just because it's a huge tub, you can use it for a longer time. So I would say the money is worth, I feel personally. And ये तो बहुत पुराना, I think now they have recently launched these sort of flavors as well, and this is the berry wala. It's similar to the previous one, but I don't know why I love this one. It has a very fresh fruity smell and it's a very, मतलब इसमें थोड़ा shimmery texture है. If you see, there are very small shiny particles and very fruity and nice, very hydrating. So I loved it. This is like a mini version that I received in PR, but I am obsessed. Like, I love the smell. So yes, Laneige products for lip balm, I would rate a 10 on 10 without a doubt, because ऐसा भी नहीं है कि एक try किया, multiple variations I have tried and I've loved all of them. So I might just end up going and buying more flavors in this one, because I think they have also launched some candy Christmassy new flavors, so I want to try that as well. But this I think is a must have for all the girls. Just invest in it. Maybe it's a little pricey, but you will see the difference on your lips, like literally, I'm not even kidding. Now next one is this Dot & Key caramel lip balm. Now this one is also I think a new launch of the brand, like not that new, but it's a new launch. One thing I really love about this one is color, the tint that it has. It's a very natural nude looking tint, so मुझे बहुत पसंद है. Second, the smell, not a big fan because it's mix of caramel coffee smell, which I don't really enjoy starting when I apply it, but then after a time it just tones down and then I like it. But इसका tint मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा on my lips. It looks very natural, very good. Yes, you get soft lips इसके बाद भी, and even this is like very decently priced. It's almost 199, so it's really good. इसमें काफी दूसरे flavors भी है, but then I went with this one because I wanted a lip balm with this shade because I don't have one. I think this is also really good and very go-to lip balm. I think I'm obsessed with the shade of this one. Okay, next we have a lip balm which is very viral currently on reels and everywhere, which is Indie Wild Dewy Lip Treatment, which has, you know, it's vegan, it's all of peptides and all of that. So now I get the hype. Okay, मतलब ये जो hype चल रही है मैं समझ सकती हूँ why, because it's really good. There is no smell, there is no tint, there is nothing. Perfect consistency. इसकी जो consistency है, I would say is just perfect. Like, it's perfect. I mean, you know, I wore this recently at my gym also. It was so convenient and it didn't go off. It's quite long lasting also and thoda expensive. This is also almost around 600-700, but I really liked it. I mean, after Laneige, I would go ahead with this one because of the consistency, because of what it's providing me in that money. So I really find it worth. It's a vegan brand and all safe and sound. You can go ahead with this one as well. I also applied this raat ko and then I woke up with very nice, plumpy, soft, juicy lips. So I think this is also one of my favorites now. Okay, next we just talked about a vegan lip balm. Now this one is Burt's Bees lip balm. I really love them because I have tried इसके, मैंने ना वो पूरा जो 5 flavors वाला पैकेट आता है मैंने वो ही ले लिया था, जिसमें स्ट्रॉबेरी, वनीला, मिंट और भी 2 थे, I don't remember, but I just bought that. Now this is not a vegan product because it has beeswax and it's Burt's Bees, but it's really good. I bought this when I was traveling somewhere, but I checked on Amazon, ये अभी available है. पहले तो ये इंडिया में available भी नहीं होता था, so I really wanted it somehow, and then I tried it when I was traveling and I bought it. So मैंने try किया, बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत moisturizing है, it's really good. It's just like a normal other lip balm. मेरे बाकी सारे तो खत्म भी हो गए हैं. This is the only one that is left. This one is vanilla and it doesn't have any tint, any pigment, but it has that vanilla smell, and you can feel that smell when you apply it also. This is also I think around 500 or 600, but then when you buy that packet of 4 or 5 flavors together, it gets a little cheaper. So मैंने वैसे ही लिया था, but I think this is also really good lip balm. Other than the fact that if you want to go ahead with a vegan and cruelty free product, you can skip this one. Overall देखा जाए तो it does provide what it's supposed to provide, like you know, like moisturizing and everything and all of that. So I quite enjoyed using it. Okay, next I have Aqualogica Radiance Plum Lip Mask. Now this one I am not a big fan of, because I mean this is very similar watermelony smell that Nivea one has, but I'm not a big fan because it's not that moisturizing, and iska jo ye, I don't know, I mean I don't really enjoy the consistency that it has, you know, as a lip mask, because it is a lip mask, right? So मुझे उसकी जो consistency है वो बहुत अजीब सी लगती है. So it's a little off for me, but when you apply it on your lips, it's very thin layer. It depends on how much you're applying. तो tint इतना है नहीं, थोड़ा सा smell है, like थोड़ा सा flavored है. So it's overall a very decent I would say lip balm, and I would just rate it like 4 or a 5 on 10, because it's just okay. I think brand ने भी ये discontinue कर दिया. I'm not sure because I couldn't find it online anywhere, but I'm sure they can do something good. Okay, इसके अलावा we have heard about this Wishcare Ceramide lip balm as well. This is very good for the price, and if you want a tinted lip balm, this is the best. It has that you know, fruity strong smell जो मुझे ना बहुत कम पसंद है, because I don't quite enjoy it, but overall I love how my lips are after applying this one. मतलब इसका जो tint भी है वो काफ़ी लंबा रहता है, and it looks very natural, very natural. I love that fact. It has SPF 50 as well, which is so good. Apply it in the day and step out in the sun as well, which is a good part. I mean, for the price, so this also ranges around 250-300 rupees, which is perfect, because यार ये price में I think you should just go ahead with something like this. It's very nice and lightly pigmented, so I quite enjoy. और इसके बाद काफ़ी smooth buttery lips भी हो जाते हैं, so I think this is a good one. I'm glad I found this. I think I found this somewhere on the reels only, and then I bought it, and then a good one. Now Miss got influenced, and I bought this one lip balm which is from Fix Derma. I saw the reel and it was very fancy, and it was like कि तुम्हारे lips एकदम, you know, if there are pigmentation on your lips it will go away, and it's very nice and all of that. But once I used it, it wasn't that great. I didn't really see any such difference on my lips. Other than that, it has a smell. It has some buttery smell. I don't know, वैसी कोई अजीब सी smell है. You know, there are lip balms that once you apply, if the lip balm goes away, you still feel your lips are soft and nice. So this is not one of them. इसके बाद मुझे इतना ऐसा मतलब lip balm लगाने के बाद, you know, I have to keep applying every 2-3 hours. I feel this one, which is not fun. And उसके बाद थोड़ा soft भी, इतना कुछ difference मुझे लगा नहीं. Clearly I was influenced, and it was not a good influence. But इसका I think another lip balm, I have seen good reviews of that one, but I haven't tried it. But ये मैंने try किया, so ये मैं enjoy नहीं किया, because I didn't like the texture also on my lips. इस पे feel होता है, मतलब heavy थोड़ा feel हो रहा था, so मुझे मज़ा नहीं आया. So these were few of the lip balms that I have been using or I have recently tried. इसके अलावा, if you guys also have any suggestions or recommendations that Rajvi, you should try this one, let me know in the comments. I will maybe make a part 2 of that. Thank you guys for being here and watching this video. You know that I love you guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.